how's it going? Today's video applies to all 2011 to 2016 F250s, specifically with the XL package, which includes just the base front end like you see here. I personally like the look of the chrome grille, but I don't like the price. To buy a factory Ford chrome grille, it is approximately $1,000, even if you buy it online. There's a few other ways to try to piece one together for a little bit less, but it's going to cost you money. If you can find one used for a lot cheaper, great. But I'm going to show you the cheapest, easiest way to make this go from this to this. Alright, so what I'm starting out with is this chrome one-piece grill that you can buy on Amazon or eBay. You can also get this in a multi-piece setup where this snaps on and then this is separate and these are separate. But the problem is, all the ones I found, none of them said Super Duty right here. So I wanted, obviously, to say Super Duty like the factory one would, so I had to go with this one-piece one. The problem with this is, unlike the factory grill, it's chromed inside of this line here, and then these vertical bars are chromed also. Whereas on an F150, whether it be a Lariat or an XLT, this would all be black space, and this would all be blacked out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chrome one-piece grill, I'm going to mask it off, I'm going to paint the inside of these areas black first with a matte black paint to make it look a little bit better once it's installed. Alright, so now it's been completely masked off to where the only thing exposed is a little bit of chrome that we want to paint black. All the little bars and down the sides. And this is a very long, tedious process to mask this all off just to do that, but which is completely optional for you if you don't mind the look of the chrome. But I want it to look just like how an XLT would look, so had to mask it all off. Alright, now I'm going to rough this up with some sandpaper, and then we'll use some self-etching primer on top of it to really get a good hold, and then we'll spray it flat black real quick. I'm actually going to use this stuff first. It's adhesion promoter, because it actually works really good, and this is technically plastic even though it's chromed, so this should make the paint stick real good. Alright, here's the grill after we've got our primer on it. Next step will be to put the black paint on as soon as this primer dries. Alright, well, I've got it painted, and now I'm starting to peel all the paint off. It's just hard to see, but there's the black spots. They'll be ready to get it on the truck. Alright, so I'm getting ready to put the grill on the front of the truck. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this denatured alcohol, and I'm going to clean down the plastic really good. That way, if there's any wax or anything on here, we can get it off. It'll be a nice clean surface for the double-sided tape to stick to. Alright, so here we are. I got it cleaned up. We're ready to do this. So this is all the double-sided tape. We're going to have to go and take off all the sticky back, or the backing first. And then you really got to be careful when you go to put this on. It's a really tight fit. And what I've seen that seems to work the best is start at the bottom and really get it pressed in the middle, and then work your way and kind of like get it pushed up onto the top here. Otherwise it won't go on all the way. It'll be stuck down here, and that's not right. So you got really only one shot, because once this is stuck on there, good luck getting it off. Alright, so I just got it pushed on here. You got to just make sure that everything is stuck in place. Remember, you got one shot, so I kind of started at the bottom, made sure everything looked lined up, and really pressed it on there good. And it looks pretty good. Especially, I really think it made a big difference painting all the little lines black. Even though it took a little extra time, now it looks like just like it would if it came that way from the factory. So total cost for this is only a couple $100 versus $1,000 for a factory chrome grill. So it's definitely worth a shot if you're looking to save a few dollars and bring this look to your truck. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.